Hello, namaste to everyone. I am Rabindra Dhungel. I would like to recite a poem on the topic The War Between the Mountain and the Bird. After the war between the sky and clouds ended, the war between the mountain and the birds began. The birds wants to break the back of the mountain. The birds wants let the mountain suffer from paralysis. The mountain wants to remove the birds from the trees above the mountain. The mountain wants his air and waters not to be consumed by birds. Today, the bird have fled from the mountain. The mountain have become waterless, windless and treeless. Now, neither the bird is born nor the mountain is born. Thank you.